Imagine this. You're asleep, and a faint beeping wakes you up. The room is filling with smoke. Do you know what to do next? Hi, I'm your name, and today we're talking about something that could save your life: house fire prevention and survival. House fires are more common than you might think, and they spread shockingly fast. But here's the good news. With a little preparation and the right knowledge, you can drastically reduce the risks and ensure your family's safety. In this video, we'll cover prevention tips, emergency planning, and survival strategies. Let's jump right in. The first line of defense? Smoke alarms. Place them on every floor in hallways and inside bedrooms. They give you those critical extra seconds to escape. Make it a habit to test them monthly. Just press that button until you hear the beep. Most house fires start in the kitchen. Keep an eye on what's cooking, especially when using oils or high heat. And if a grease fire starts, never throw water on it. Smother it with a lid or use a fire extinguisher. Electrical issues are another big cause of house fires. Avoid plugging too many devices into a single outlet or using old, frayed cords. If you're unsure about your home's wiring, have an electrician inspect it. Lastly, be mindful of heat sources. Space heaters should be at least 3 feet away from anything flammable, and always extinguish candles before leaving the room. Preparation is your safety net. Start by building a fire safety kit. This should include a fire extinguisher, a flashlight, a whistle, and a collapsible safety ladder for upstairs rooms. Speaking of extinguishers, make sure everyone in the household knows how to use one. Remember the pass method: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Next, create a fire escape plan. Identify 2 exits from every room, whether it's a door or a window. Practice using these exits during fire drills and make sure everyone knows where to meet outside. When you sleep, keep bedroom doors closed. A closed door can slow the spread of fire, buying you precious time to escape. If a fire starts, stay low to the ground. Smoke rises, and the air near the floor is safer to breathe. Cover your nose and mouth with a damp cloth if possible. Before opening any door, check it with the back of your hand. If it's hot, don't open it. That means the fire is right outside. Look for an alternate exit. Know how to escape through windows safely. For upper floors, keep an emergency ladder near the window and practice setting it up. And remember, once you're out, stay out. Call 911 from a neighbor's house or your mobile phone and wait for emergency responders. Never re-enter a burning building, no matter what. Once the fire is out, don't re-enter your home until authorities say it's safe. Even after the flames are gone, structural damage or lingering smoke can be dangerous. Contact your insurance company as soon as possible to start the claims process. Document the damage with photos and keep any receipts for temporary housing or repairs. Let's recap. Prevention starts with smoke alarms, careful use of appliances, and keeping flammable items away from heat sources. Be prepared with a fire safety kit, an escape plan, and regular fire drills. During a fire, stay low, check doors, and use safe exits. And remember, once you're out, stay out. These steps might seem simple, but they could save your life. Now it's time to take action. Check your smoke alarms today. Build that fire safety kit. Map out an escape plan and practice it with your family. Share this video with friends and loved ones, because everyone should be prepared for emergencies. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more survival tips. Together, we can be ready for anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.